Welcome to your first challenge. Now I've called this one Back to School, and hopefully it's obvious why. Over the last few lessons we've been looking at those basic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We've looked at powers or exponents, and I've also thrown in that very strange one, that modulus operator, which calculates the remainder when we divide one number by another. Now what I would like you to do in this challenge is to apply what you have learnt and to calculate the areas of various shapes. And we start with a rectangle. I've given you the formula here in this table. We have the dimensions I would like you to use, and obviously these will become your variables. The triangle, we've got the base multiplied by the height, divided by 2. And then the circle, a little bit of an extension there, we have pi r squared. Now I've said you can use a fixed value for pi of 3.14, but if you want to do a little bit of research, go to php.net, type in pi, and see what you find. Now feel free to put all three of these into one file, but I would like you to make use of comments. We haven't done that for a while, and I think that might be useful to touch on that just as a quick recap. If you would like to extend yourself a little bit further, then you could calculate the area of a trapezium or trapezoid. See if you can research the formula yourself, and these are the dimensions that I would like you to use. When you're doing this, I really want you to think about your output. Think about what you're presenting on the screen. Think about the variable names that you are using and make them relevant. Comment your scripts wherever you can. And if you feel like extending this even further, then please feel free to do so. In the next lesson, you will find this file here available as a PDF download, and the lesson after that will be my full solution. So good luck with this one, have some fun with it, see how you get on, and apply what you've learnt into your first challenge. If you found this video useful, then remember to give me a quick thumbs up, and if you would like to be notified when I release new videos, then hit that subscribe button, and remember to click on the little notification bell.